Guys, free money is just sitting on the table simply because buyers don't know that it's there. So what I want to do is invite you to a free workshop to come learn about the grants and programs to help you purchase a home. If you've been dreaming of home ownership, this is your moment, because yes, home ownership is possible, and it might be even closer than you think with these free resources in your tool bag. What you'll see when you get there is a check-in where you'll grab a seat and feel instantly welcomed. This is a safe space to ask questions, no sales pitch, just support, education, and food. Curious who this is for? Well, anyone thinking of buying a home, especially if you're renting, planning for the future, or helping a loved one get started. It's pressure-free and packed with valuable info. You're going to meet with industry professionals and hear from them, including lenders, credit repair, and realtors. Lastly, RSVP is required. We need to know how many are coming. We will be providing food, so please make sure you let us know if you're coming. There are a couple ways that you can do that. Again, the event is Thursday, April 24th, starting at 4 o'clock. It is free, but I will need to know that you're coming, so you can either scan the QR code or text me.